Becky Hill, the former Colleton County Clerk of Court during the Alex Murdaugh double murder trial, is facing felony charges. Hill went before judges in Colleton and Richland counties for her bond hearings today. Claire Weber looks at what she's accused of and what this means for Murdaugh.
More than 2 years after Alex Murdaugh was found guilty for murdering his wife and son, the clerk of court who oversaw the trial has been arrested. Becky Hill is charged with perjury, obstructing justice, and misconduct in office.
Becky Hill back in court. She's accused of using her public office to promote her book and of unlawfully pocketing thousands of dollars in bonuses and a check.
She turned herself in. We found out about these charges last night. We're here right now.
Law enforcement documents say Hill also showed sealed evidence photos to the media during the 2023 double murder trial. A serious offense, but one experts say likely had little impact on the jury.
It could not have affected that verdict whatsoever. There was so much information flowing around at the time, and jurors were instructed very clearly not to look at media.
These documents also allege Hill lied to Judge Jean Toll during a hearing last year on her actions throughout the trial.
I find that the clerk of court is not completely credible as a witness.
Still, former South Carolina Attorney General Charlie Condon says one thing is notably missing from the list of charges announced against Hill.
There's nothing in here about jury tampering, so I would think that State Law Enforcement Division investigated these allegations and didn't find sufficient proof to charge her.
Jury tampering being the focal point of Alex Murdaugh's legal team's requests for a retrial.
I'm assuming SLED talked to all the jurors. I'm assuming SLED ran down all the evidence that's out there. Not charged.
So what could this mean for Murdaugh's hopes to plead his innocence again?
I think the likelihood of the case being reversed on appeal is not high. There is a chance of it, but I don't think it's particularly high.
But Murdaugh's attorneys see Hill's perjury charge as a possible open door.
If she lied during that proceeding about one thing, it certainly challenges her credibility on any other thing.
As for Hill, a judge granted her PR bonds, sending her home without having to pay.
Becky Hill is expected back in court on July 18th in Colleton County, then again on July 25th in Richland County. In Charleston, South Carolina, I'm Claire Weber.